In this video, we will look at the Search tab in WordMorpher. The Search tab is used when you want to find specific text inside multiple documents at once. Instead of opening every Word or PDF file manually, you select a folder, enter the text you are looking for, and WordMorpher searches through the supported files in that folder. At the top of the tab, you can choose whether WordMorpher should also search inside subfolders. If Include Subfolders is enabled, the program will search not only the selected folder, but also all folders inside it. Next, choose the working folder. This is the folder that contains the documents you want to search. After the folder is selected, enter the text you want to find into the search field, then click Search. WordMorpher will scan the supported files and show the results in the log area. The Search tab supports Word documents and PDF files, including DOCX, DOCX and PDF formats. For doc files, LibreOffice may be needed, because old doc files often need to be converted internally before their text can be searched. For PDF files, WordMorpher searches text that can be extracted from the PDF. If the PDF is only a scanned image, the text may not be searchable yet. In that case, use the OCR tab first to create a searchable PDF or extract the text. When WordMorpher finds a match, it shows the file name and the surrounding text, so you can understand where the search word or phrase appears. The file name in the results can be clicked. This lets you open the document directly from the search results. At the bottom, the progress bar shows how far the search has progressed. After the search is finished, you can export the log. The log can be saved as TXT, CSV, or PDF, depending on what you need. Use Clear to remove the current results and start a new search. The Search tab is useful for quickly finding contract terms, product names, customer names, technical phrases, version numbers, regulatory text, or any repeated wording across many documents. In the next video, we will look at the Word to PDF tab, where Word documents can be converted to PDF.